Hi, I'm Taylor Williams, and today I'm going over Danny Duquette's video, Teaching Science, We're Doing It Wrong. The first question is, what process did you use to find this resource? I read a few articles on different disciplinary literacy aspects in science, but I kept going back to this TED Talk, and I watched it over and over and over, and it's what stuck with me the most, and so that's why I ultimately chose this specific video. Was your resource easy or difficult to find? This resource was super easy to find. I watch TED Talks frequently on YouTube. This video is actually already saved to my YouTube favorites, so it was really easy to go back and find it and watch it again. What did you learn about disciplinary literacy in the process? This video actually taught me a lot about modeling instruction, which I think is a great way to implement disciplinary literacy in our classrooms, and probably the most effective way to get students in a scientific mindset. Why did you choose your resource? I mainly chose this resource for professional growth because I really didn't know how to implement disciplinary literacy in a secondary science classroom besides getting into the scientific method. Past that, this video gave me a lot of aha moments, and that's why I chose this. And going from professional growth into classroom use, it all carries over because in this video he shows experiments that he does, and he shows exactly what he does in the classroom and how he implements it. So I think it's both for professional growth and classroom use. How do I know this article is resource-based? I realize that TED Talks are only as valid as the author who is presenting the speech. And whilst this isn't an exactly peer-reviewed article, it does match up with a lot of what the book says and what we've been reading all semester. On pages 206 and 207 of the book, it mentions that students have been conditioned to read science text as truth and nothing more. If the book says it, it has to be so. And I think that we should be encouraging our students to question why, and that's part of the modeling instruction that's mentioned in this video. The book also says that teachers may be wary of encouraging students to ask why and to question the authority of the science text. But again, we should want our students to ask questions and engage in scientific inquiry. This resource would not need to be modified for my use, and that's one of the large reasons why I chose it. I love that it focuses on secondary science because to me that's kind of left out of disciplinary literacy, or to my knowledge prior to taking this class. I never really thought about disciplinary literacy in the secondary science classroom. So for a video to focus on it and how we can make our classrooms better and what exactly we can do to make it better is a large part of why I chose it. Thank you.